Okay guys, just a quick video on cleaning a cloth vacuuming bag. This is my Electrolux. It's an old model, but she's good. And it comes with a cloth bag, not a paper bag. You can buy paper bags for it. But this is the cloth bag with the seal. That's the seal. When you put this back in, of course, you put that on first, like that, and then close the lid, right? So right now we're going to just take this bag out. That's a cloth bag. They don't like selling those at Electrolux. The guy, they like to say the paper ones. Get yourself some newspaper. Take your bag. Now this bag is previously cleaned a bit before I did the video, but you get the idea. Hold it down on some newspaper and give it a little wiggle. Hang on to the end of the strap and just give it a little wiggle. And keep going and keep going. You can pick it up so carefully. I suggest, of course, you do this outside in the garden with a slight breeze blowing the dirt away from you. And of course, you buy the bag once. Now I can take this bag over to the edge of the garden and give it a little extra blow in the wind, shake in the wind, or I can simply just put it back in the bag as it is, back in the vacuum cleaner. You can go through the dirt with your finger, roll it up with a bit of newspaper, shake it down into a corner, roll it over, pretend you're at the butcher's, rolling up the sausages for the weekend, and you put that in the bin. And like I said, when you're putting it back in the vacuum cleaner, especially on my model, you've got to put it in the little clip first, take off the seal, put that in there to make sure it sits perfect, then close the lid and you're set for another big day at the house cleaning with your vacuum cleaner. Bye.